how to build the custom build backyard by the assorted building blocks. So guys, I have some ideas of the backyard. There's a pool, there's a grill, there's a bird house for the bird to just go in there. I have a dining table, some lights, and that's everything that I can think of. So guys, before I start, please visit my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles, and please visit my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe! So guys, are you ready to build the custom build backyard?
Yeah!
Let's build! So guys, now let's make the pool. First, you're gonna need is, of course, So guys, let's put the pool parts. Okay, let's put this one and last one. Of course, you're gonna need a slide. Yay! Why the pool hasn't took that water yet? Let's add some water. Some water. There. Then this one. Then finally we got. Okay, that's really perfect. Ta-da! Now guys, next we're gonna do is the dining table. Then guys, next let's put some sauces. If you're a sauce lover. Yeah, it looks like drinks, but it's not. Let's put some 2 burgers. Then let's put a glass over here. Okay. Then let's put some chairs. We're gonna just use breakfast chairs. Let's move the dining table. There we go. Oh yeah. Of course, that's the right way. Let's move this one so it has a little bit of weight. Ta-da! And then let's put the tree. First let's put the grill. First we gonna need the steamer. Then there's a small stove. Ta-da! Now let's put a light over here. Ooh! Just broke it. Now that's a beautiful light. Let's put I bet this is gonna be the light of the backyard. Then some drinks. Oh, I just broke it again. This doesn't really stand. Yes, finally. Now let's put the tree. And then the birdhouse. Then a toy. Now the backyard looks awesome, but they're still missing. Of course, we're gonna need some people. So we got a dog, a girl that is quite tall, not that tall. Then we got a boy. We have a pool. Let's put him. Let's just remove his legs and put him. Yeah, of course, this is always falls off. Then we got another girl. Let's remove her legs too. And of course. Then let's remove the legs first. So guys, I'm done. So guys, this is the birdhouse. This is the slide. This is the pool. These are the chairs. This is the light. This is the table. This is the steamer of the grill. And then this is the grill. And this is a stove. Then this is a tree. Some healthy drinks like fruit juice. And then this one, like their walls, but not really. And then we got a flowers. That's really beautiful. And then that's it. And also this is a girl that has hair and a boy that has not hair. This is a puppy eating something. Like a blue patty. And last but not least, a tall girl. I bet that's their mom. Okay guys, I'm done building this custom build garden. That means the backyard. So guys, I'm done building the backyard made by the sorted building blocks. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!